Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is Kevin Ryan and I am a PhD student at Northeastern University in Boston. And this research is about how the carbon that washes off the trees in a forest compares to the carbon in the stream that drains that forest. We're interested in comparing carbon fluxes between throughfall and streams because they represent the aquatic carbon inputs to and exports from forested watersheds. Dissolved organic carbon, or DOC, in throughfall represents a significant carbon flux, but its fate in watersheds is poorly quantified. Previous studies have estimated that more DOC is delivered to the forest floor in throughfall than is exported from the forest in streams each year. However, at the event scale, individual storm characteristics, such as storm size, can strongly influence solute fluxes in both throughfall and in streams. In this study, we quantify the variability of DOC in throughfall across a range of event sizes, and we assess how the size of storm events might influence the fate of tree-derived dissolved organic carbon in the catchment. This work was done in a small forested watershed in northern Vermont, where we sampled 23 throughfall and stream events. We used the relationships of DOC concentration with event size to estimate DOC yield in throughfall and stream water for 76 events across a 2-year period. When we compared the DOC yields in throughfall and stream water for each paired event, we found that the throughfall DOC yields were several times greater than the stream DOC yields, except for during the largest of precipitation events. We also found that the accumulation of DOC in throughfall across the growing season greatly exceeded the cumulative DOC export in the stream for the same period. One main conclusion was that the distribution of storm size and frequency across seasons is likely an important factor influencing the balance of DOC inputs and exports in forested watersheds. We suggest that this event scale modeling approach could be incorporated into future studies. So I'd like to acknowledge my collaborators at the University of Vermont and the U.S. Geological Survey. And I encourage you, if you're interested, to click through all the details and message me with any questions or comments.